So today I'm in the kitchen. I want to make pasta. I don't know how you make your pasta, but you must never cut my pasta. I love them really long, so if you're gonna make pasta for me, don't ever cut them. So I already dipped them in the water. They will just slide down there and they'll just melt down there and come down to the pot. So yeah, let's get to this. So I have my tomatoes, I have my fish. I'll be using these two fish for it. Then I have my onions, I have my pepper, I have some cubes I'll be using to make them. And then I'll add salt and some other spices. So here they've melted down and I can now cover my pot. So I like to always watch it because at the point the steam gets so high and might spoil and litter everywhere. So I watch it and I open it once in a while. So here I am sieving it and running cold water on it so that they don't get sticky. And they don't get so soft if I leave them for some time. So I just run cold water on top and wash. Here my empty pot is back on fire. I'll just pour oil and put my onions and fry a few things. So I didn't allow my tomatoes to dry up or anything. I just covered the pot and allowed it to cook for some time, then spiced everything up and my pasta are ready to be put. Voila, and our pasta is ready exactly how I love it. This is exactly how I love my pasta. And I am not your favorite chef, but I just decided to film this today just to add to my content. I mean, I'm allowed to mix up anything, right? So yeah, I'm giving you exactly how I love it. So yeah, see you. Thank you. Bye.